Hello, my name is Paola Vera.
Could you tell me something about yourself?
I am the productive woman here to continue to learning and study out in the work area.
Why do you want to work in this company?
As I said before, I am looking to advance my profession career. I am sure and in your company I could achieve this goal. I now conquer the company as I'm the best in the country. And it's the golden honor for me to be the part of the year time.
What are your goals for the future?
My goal in the future is especially in the leisure process of the many-year industrial work. Your company is the market leader good be the ideal one to implement in my new needs.
What are your greatest strengths?
I am good at the imagining new solution and adapted to the new problem and the motivated others.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is they never give up. I tend to the support and when I submit to some time. And usually invest of my time in the goal.
From your previous job to our department here?
In my previous job, I learned to lead the work group. I made each the subordinate perform their time I have efficient. I getting in the job forces for the benefit of the company. Likewise, I now think that can achieve this with your staff. Thank you.